previous lessons also, for as the unit test is approaching, and you should also try to complete your work on time. Okay, maintain your notebook neat and clean. Okay, class. Good afternoon to everyone right there. Good afternoon. Afternoon to everyone. Let everyone join. Okay, let's start without wasting our time. Just before starting class, I want that everyone sit straight. Sit straight. Okay, happy birthday, Navya. Tell your brother happy birthday from my side and from school also. May God bless him. Okay. Now, be quick. Okay, everybody, hands on your lap. Surgeon Kaur, hands on your lap. Okay. Take any posture that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Fast, fast. Everyone, be quick. Very good. Everyone, that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Now, everyone, slowly and slowly close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in all the positive energy and breathe out all that distracts you. Pray to God that He will give you strength to concentrate on your topic and will make you calm and help you to learn and use these 40 minutes fruitfully. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax your mind, get ready for the class. Leave everything outside. Okay. Okay. Now, slowly and slowly open your eyes, and very good afternoon to everyone. Now, I hope that you are all are prepared for I hope that you all are prepared for your class. Okay, let's have a quick recap. Whatever we have read last time, we are this time we will read what are irregular. What are irregular nouns? Okay. Good afternoon, and kindly don't write on chat. If you have any queries, then only write. Now we are in class, everyone is here, and only chat with me. I have told you this 1,000 times. Don't chat with your friends. If you have anything to discuss with your friend, you can call them. Okay. Class time means class time. No discussions. As you don't used to talk in class when class is going on. Same is the case here. Your teacher is here. We are here, and we are here to learn something. Now, without wasting time, let's have a quick recap of it, and let's start our lesson. I have prepared one small video for you. Just go through it. There we will touch a new portion also, and we will be able to have a recap of the portion that we have learned. Okay, now let's start. What are nouns? We have already discussed. And now, what are regular nouns? We have already discussed about it. And now let's see what are I hope See, singular and plural noun we have already touched, and we have discussed about what are singular nouns. Nouns that tells about one person, animal, place, or thing are singular nouns, and nouns that tells us more than one person, animal, place, or thing are called plural nouns. We have already discussed it. Okay, and to convert singular noun into plural noun, there are two forms: regular and regular plurals and irregular plurals. Regular plurals we have already discussed. We have discussed their rules. Regular plurals can be changed by adding s, es, or ies, and in certain portions we use to if the consonant is before y, before y letter we use what we use e. Yes, and if it's just with a vowel e, we find a y, we use s. We have already discussed it last time, and I have also shared a PDF with you. And now let's have a look. S, E, S, or to the end of the singular noun. Okay, most of the nouns that are in regular form, most of the noun in regular form that are changed from singular to plural by adding s or es. But there are some nouns, you know that because we have already discussed. There are some nouns that are changed into plural by adding ies also. If, for example, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby, B is a consonant and Y is attached to a consonant B. When Y is with a consonant, we change it into plural by adding IES. We have already discussed it. And next is if Y is with a vowel, for example, boy, B-O-Y, O is a vowel. If Y is with vowel, we change it into plural form by adding s. We have already discussed about it. Now let's have a look on irregular vowels with this video. See, or es to a singular noun. Okay. Okay. Now most of the nouns are singular by adding it. Now what is irregular noun? Just read it and then I will explain it. Okay. Irregular. Ir means who do not follow the rules of adding s or es in plurals. Okay. These irregular nouns वो nouns होते हैं जहाँ पे वो rules follow नहीं करते जो rule हमने regular nouns में पढ़े हैं. They don't follow rules. Es. There are several forms of irregular. You can find there are several form of irregular nouns that change into plural by not adding s or es, but adding some different things. Sometimes the whole word gets changed into a plural noun. Let's have a look. See. Now what to do? And remember, children, you have to memorize these nouns. Irregular nouns, you have to memorize them. That means you have to learn them. Okay, there are so many nouns that are given in your books with examples. You can plural nouns. Please kindly learn them because these noun needs to be memorized because there are no rules for this noun. When there is no rule, that means that portion you have to learn because rules makes the things to memorize easily. Whenever we follow rules, we are able to learn the concept easily. But यहाँ पे खुद ही बोला गया है they do not follow rules. ये nouns rules follow नहीं करते. तो जितने भी irregular nouns आपके book पे हैं, that means you have to learn them. Okay, and start learning it. Okay, now let's move further. Okay, but you have. Okay, see now A. Plural noun. See, if there is A in a singular noun and to change it into plural, we add E. अब वो कौन से words हैं? वो याद करो. If you will watch this video carefully, you will be able to learn most of them right here now. Okay. जिन प्लूरल नाउन के बीच में ए है, irregular noun, याद रखना, irregular noun के बीच में in the middle when you find a, we add e to make it plural. And what are those words? See, man is singular noun, and when we change it into plural, to plural noun, we add e in place of a. That it become and it become men, me and men, it become men. Man is one person and man is more than one person. Same thing is followed by the woman. A woman means one woman, lady, and woman means more than one. Okay. And when we found, see, now it's in another. Listen, now when there is a between a singular noun in irregular form, we can convert it into plural noun by adding e. This is one form of irregular noun. For example, man is, we can change it into men, woman into woman. Now let's see another form of irregular nouns that ends with the alphabet o. See, ee, we can change it into by adding ee. See, foot, feet. Foot is feet. Geese. Double O, change it into double E. Tooth is teeth. Okay, it's irregular noun. It's another form of irregular nouns. When there is double O, we can change it by adding ee. Foot becomes feet, goose become geese, tooth become teeth. Okay, double O is changed into ee. But listen, children, one more thing is really very important for this lesson. Listen, irregular nouns are not confined to these things. There are some other nouns, some other irregular nouns that are changed into plural by adding something else. I will also share that with you, but first have a focus on these words. It will make you to understand the concept. Geese, goose, geese, good, and tooth in teeth. Tooth change into teeth. That is another form of truth. Now let's see. And now that the nouns that ends with f and fe. Okay, singular form में जिनके साथ f and fe होगा, how they are going to change. Now let's see. These are all the examples of irregular noun. See, VES. We change FE into VES, but there are some special cases also. कुछ special cases भी हैं यहाँ पे, आप याद रखना, जहाँ पे हम we don't use VES, we only use S. Okay, those are the special cases in irregular nouns. They are very less in number, but they are still there. कुछ nouns, कुछ irregular nouns में कुछ special cases भी हैं. उन स्पेशल केसेस में अगर लास्ट के 2 वर्ड्स एफ या एफई से चेंज होते, एफ या एफई से एंड होते हैं, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट वी हैव टू यूज वीईएस विद इट. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कंपल्सरी दैट यू शुड मेमोराइज द इरेगुलर नाउन्स. ओके, लर्न करो इस नाउन्स को बहुत ध्यान से. ओके, नाउ and they will be very helpful to you. Now see, when there is f and fe, वो कौन से words हैं जो ves लगा के change हो जाते हैं? Let's have a look. See, wharf. Wharf is wharf and with f. We remove the f and add wharves. VOLVES, walls. Okay. Wharf means once and walls means many. Okay. Life is singular and lives is a plural. Shelf will become shelves. Wives. Okay, these are the plural form of verbs irregular that ends with f, fe, or f. Whenever the plural form, a singular form of verb end with f and fe, we change it by adding ves. But do remember in my mind, there are some special cases also that we will have a look afterwards. Okay, for example, wolf will change into wolves, life will change into lives, shelf will change into shelves, and wife will change into wives. Okay, now next irregular noun, knife will change into knives. Okay, now okay, there is another group of noun also that do not change. तो इन irregular noun में एक और form of group भी है. Okay, जो बिल्कुल भी change नहीं होता है. Singular and plural form में their spellings remain the same. There is no addition or no reduction of any alphabet. That you have to remember. There is no addition and no deduction. It will remain the same. So let's see what are those plural nouns. See. Without changing, it is written already here, no change. There is no change. For example, fish, it will fishes. We will not write fishes, it will remain fish. Deer will remain same, deer. Okay, deer. See now, no change. There is no change in it. That means singular maybe fish हमने use किया and we have to pronounce like this only. Fish, deer. Okay, no change of, there is no addition of s, es or any other alphabet to make it plural. It becomes plural automatically by the same words that are used in singular. Okay, there are some more examples. Sheep, my sheep, and okay, my grandpa has sheep, 6 sheep, 10 sheep, but it will remain sheep. But word cannot change. Okay, there is no change of word. This is another form of irregular noun. Now another is complete change. There are certain words जो plural form में change होने के लिए completely change हो जाते हैं. There are certain words when it change into plural form, it changes completely. Now let's have a look. What are those words? Now, mouse will become one. Okay, mouse is a singular and mice. See, whole word, the whole spelling is changed. Mouse is singular, and when it is changed into plural form, we add mice. Mice is totally different in spelling than mouse. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो completely change होते हैं, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो बिल्कुल change नहीं होते, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ vs लगता है, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ en लगता है. These are all the examples of irregular noun. Okay, getting me? I hope that you are getting me. I will come back to you and explain it to you once again. But I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So kindly have a keen look on it. Okay, now see, like person is a single person. Becomes people. Person will become people when we change it into plural noun. Okay. तो some of the irregular nouns में हम en add करते हैं to turn it into plural. Now let's see what are those nouns. Okay. Child will become children and ox will become oxen. Okay, these are okay. So these are the irregular nouns when they are changed into plural. See, you have already seen how many changes occur in them, and there are, as compared to irregular nouns, there are regular plurals too. वो जो regular plurals हैं उनमें एक rule follow होता है, and when we follow the rule, we are easily able to recognize that how to change it into plural. But irregular nouns, you have to memorize it, because I'm repeating it again, because in addition to these nouns that you are seeing in a video of irregular nouns, there are some other nouns that are special cases जिनके साथ s लगता है, और that's why it is written it is written again and again that you have to memorize it. Okay, and now here we go. And these are all the examples of irregular noun. Okay, now these are all everything about irregular nouns, and let's move back. I am coming to you, and I hope that you have gained something from the examples. Okay, I'm sure that you have seen the video and you have learned something from the video. Now I am going to have again a quick recap of everything. Very good, thank you, Haleen. Everything that we have learned. Okay, now let's have a look on it. I am going back. I'm going to share whatever is there in your book, and I hope that you will be able to understand it very nicely. Okay, now I am coming back to you, dear children. See, अब जो आपके book पे है, this video I will share it in your group also. Thank you so much, Dishti. Okay, now this I will share in your group also, and I will share it in Snap Homework also, so that you will be able to get more knowledge from it. Now let's have a look on some of the things that are explained in your book. इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से समझ आ जाएगा. Nouns that use VES or EN. Irregular plural can be formed in many ways. Irregular plural जो है वो हमें बहुत सारी ways से form होता है. Noun ending with F, FE and VES in plurals. अब देखो जो nouns end होते हैं F से, FE और VES से, तो F और FE से उसमें क्या ऐड होता है VES. But for example, thief, thieves. देखो F change है, यहाँ पे F को मैंने red से mark किया है. F is changed into VES. F is changed into VES. Here also F is changed into VES, and here knife and I FE. FE है यहाँ पे, वो भी change हो गया है VES पे. ठीक है? But there are special cases. कुछ special cases है. ठीक है? जैसे for example chiefs, ऐसी आएगा. roofs. ठीक है? cafes. ऐसा आता है. ये स्पेशल केसेस हैं इसमें इरेगुलर नाउन्स में, जहां पे हम क्या ऐड करते हैं VES, जहां पे F और FE होता है लास्ट टू वर्ड्स. फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ, जहां पे लास्ट टू वर्ड्स या F से एंड हो या FE से एंड हो, वहां पे हम VES ऐड करते हैं. बट कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे भी हैं, आपकी बुक पे दिए गए हैं वो वर्ड्स. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे भी हैं जो F और FE से एंड होते हैं, बट उनके साथ हम S लगाते हैं. जैसे जिराफ, रूफ है, पफ है, प्रूफ है, उसके साथ हम S ही लगाते हैं. और कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे भी हैं जो F से एंड होते हैं, बट उनके साथ S या VES हम दोनों लगा सकते हैं. दैट आर ऑल्सो गिवन इन टू योर बुक. स्कार्फ, स्कार्व्स. ओके, ड्राफ्ट. तो जो अगर आप S लगाओगे या VES लगाओगे, बोथ आर सेम, बट मोस्ट प्रेफरेबली हम VES को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देते हैं. ओके, अब कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं, the noun ending with O form their plural by adding S. जो noun O से end होते हैं, वो अपने साथ irregular nouns, याद रखना irregular nouns की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. जो irregular noun O से end होते हैं, वो add करते हैं. वो उसमें हम जब S ऐड करते हैं तो वो plural बन जाते हैं. For example, bamboo, S. ratios. But special cases इसमें भी हैं. For example, mangoes में O के साथ ES लगाते हैं, because we have also read it in regular noun, जहाँ पे आपने CH, SH, OX के साथ word end होने पे ES लगाना समझा था. But वो regular noun के example है. ठीक है? You are learning nouns in a broader sense class. Now you are not learning noun, you are grown up. या आप broader sense में पढ़ रहे हो nouns को, singular plurals को. जो पहले पढ़ा था वो आपकी एज के लिए अप्रोप्रिएट था. उसमें एडिशन होती है. सब कुछ वही रहता है. इसलिए कहते हैं ना कि हर क्लास को बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना चाहिए, चाहे फर्स्ट से लेके अपनी 12th तक, क्योंकि जो भी कुछ होता है उसमें एडिशन होती है. ओके, जब भी हम पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें एडिशन होती है, सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होती है। इसलिए अब आप ब्रॉडर सेंस में पढ़ रहे हो। देखो नाउन, इरेगुलर नाउन की बात मैं कर रही हूँ जो ओ से एंड होता है, तो वो पूरा फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट होते हैं, जब हम उनके साथ एस ऐड करते हैं। बैम्बो, बैम्बोज, रेशो, रैशोज, मैंगो, मैंगोज, पोटैटो, पोटैटोज। ओके, बुफेलो, बुफेलोज, मॉस्किटो, मॉस्किटोज। सी, अब जैसे ओ के साथ एंड हो रहा है, इसका एस भी लगा सकते हैं, ई एस भी लगा सकते हैं। इनको स्पेशल केसेस बोला जाता है रेगुलर नाउन्स में। बुफेलो, बुफेलो, बुफेलोज, ई एस के साथ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, एस के साथ भी। मॉस्किटो, मॉस्किटोज, ऐसे हम मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मॉस्किटो ई एस लगा के लिखते हैं। ओके, अब नाउ अनदर इज नाउन विद सम सेम फॉर्म ऑफ प्लूरल्स। ये आपने अभी भी देखा अपने इस पे वीडियो पे कि डियर will be deer in plural also, goldfish will be goldfish in plural also, and sheep will remain sheep in plural also. There is no change of words, and there are no addition or subtraction of words when we change singular into plural form. Okay, noun with only plural forms. अब कुछ nouns ऐसे हैं जो जिनमें already s होता है। ओके, तो वो मैक्सिमम कौन से नाउन्स होते हैं? नेम ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स जो हम यूज करते हैं इक्विपमेंट्स, या चाहे वो किचन के लिए हो, चाहे वो हमारे क्राफ्ट के लिए एंड आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट के लिए हो, चाहे वो हमारे वॉशरूम्स के टैप्स ठीक करने के लिए हो, उनको इक्विपमेंट्स बोला जाता है, होम इक्विपमेंट्स। ठीक है, और होम अप्लायंसेस भी बोलते हैं उन्हें। और नेम ऑफ गारमेंट्स, जो गारमेंट्स हम लोग पहनते हैं वो भी कभी कभी क्या होता है कि ऑलरेडी एस उनके साथ हम जब प्रोनाउंस करते हैं या जब हम उन्हें लिखते हैं तो ऑलरेडी उनके साथ एस लगा होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे इक्विपमेंट्स की एग्जाम्पल है सीजर। आप बोलते हो ना, गिव मी योर सीजर्स। टोंग, टोंग is thing that is used in kitchen to pick up dry food like kebab or like something the for salad या something like that. वो टोंग होता है। टू पिंस होती हैं उनको, क्या स्पेक्टिकल्स। ओके, स्पेक्टिकल्स एंड देयर इज स्पेक्टिकल्स, स्पेक्टिकल्स स्पेक्स को बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जो हम पहनते हैं। ओके, तो ऑलरेडी उनकी स्पेलिंग्स के साथ एस लगा होता है और हम जब प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो वो भी थोड़ा एस सा साउंड करते हैं। देयर इज नो नीड of adding s with them. Okay, you already plural form में होते हैं, इसलिए लिखा है noun with only plural form. Garments, garments में क्या आता है? jeans, pants, shorts. देखो मैम हमेशा बोलते हैं, मैम आपको हमेशा बोलते हैं कि सिस्टर भी कभी कभी बोलती हैं यूज प्लीज वेयर साइक्लिंग शॉर्ट्स। शॉर्ट तो नहीं बोलती ना, दैट मीन्स कि वो वाले नाउन्स हैं जिनके जो ऑलरेडी प्लूरल फॉर्म में होते हैं, देयर इज नो नीड टू चेंज देम। और इसके बाद भी एक और इरेगुलर नाउन्स हैं जो स्पेल या स्पोक हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में करते हैं बट वो सिंगुलर होते हैं। ओके, बट वो सिंगुलर, जैसे स्विक्स, आई हैव अ बुक ऑफ स्विक्स, आई हैव अ बुक ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। मैथमेटिक नहीं बोलते ना आप, आई हैव अ बुक ऑफ मैथमेटिक नहीं बोलोगे। मैथ्स, whenever you write math, it's written maths, maths. Mathematics, measles है सिंगल चीज, है सिंगल डिजीज, बट एस है। pronounce plural होती है but it is singular. Okay, but it is singular. Pronounce ऐसे होती है but it is singular. Getting me? Okay, these are called the irregular plurals. Today I am sending you the bookwork of this irregular plurals and regular plurals. That means we have completed the portion, the noun of numbers. Now I am going to ask you some questions. I hope that you will answer. I am coming back to you. Okay, class. I hope that you all are okay. Who is keeping the okay now? Okay, now Drishti. Good. Okay, Drishti, do you have any queries?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Speak.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I did
Yes.
not understand complete change words.
Complete change, which अच्छा complete change words. Okay, complete change words वो होते हैं बेटा, they are only few in numbers. बहुत कम नंबर में होते हैं जिनका पूरा completely change हो जाता है। जैसे मतलब tooth teeth बन जाता है, mouse mice बन जाता है, louse lice बन जाता है। Okay, foot feet बन
Okay,
जाता
ma'am.
है, keys बन जाता है। They are 7 to 8 in numbers. बहुत कम वर्ड्स हैं, बट दे चेंज, दैट मीन्स कंप्लीटली चेंज हो जाता है। जब हम सिंगुलर फॉर्म को प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करते हैं तो वो उसका जो मीनिंग है वो कंप्लीटली, जो वर्ड्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल मीनिंग नहीं, सॉरी, जो उसके वर्ड्स हैं, दैट मींस स्पेलिंग्स टोटली चेंज हो जाते हैं। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज रिटन
Okay, ma'am.
कंप्लीट चेंज। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज
Okay,
रिटन
ma'am.
कंप्लीट चेंज। ओके, गुड।
And ma'am, my name is Driti.
अच्छा, धृति, ओके, whatever your name is, I love my children more than anything else. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
Dhruti. Yes, Aline.
ma'am, where there is no change in the words, to define
Okay.
the words before them, we use some or many.
It is another form because beta, देखो जैसे my uncle has four goldfish in his aquarium. Okay, या few golden fish in his aquarium. So that means कि हम उसके साथ add कर सकते हैं several, many, more. But अभी आपको यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं explain में addition की गई है, ठीक है? हो सकता है कि next class में हो, but it's good. We can add some, many, more, several with these words who do not change its form, who do not change its form when it's changed into plural form. ठीक है? Getting me, Harleen?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
तो अभी यहाँ पे आपको as such कुछ भी ऐड नहीं हुआ है, तो फिर भी इट्स गुड, हाँ आप कर सकते हो, इसलिए मैंने टच नहीं किया था। ये सही है कि आप कर सकते हो सब, मैनी, या my uncle has 5 sheep, या my uncle has a flock of sheep in his garden. Okay, they are grazing the grass. समझ आया? तो आप
Yes, ma'am.
काउंटिंग में नाउन ऑफ नंबर्स को आप काउंट नंबर्स के थ्रू भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, सेवरल, मैनी के साथ भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नाउन दैट यू आर यूजिंग। ओके, नाउ
Okay,
हु
ma'am.
इज नेक्स्ट? ओके बेटा,
Thank you, ma'am.
most welcome dear, I am always here for you. Okay, now next is Ariba Malik. Yes Ariba. Ariba, kindly unmute yourself. आप कभी भी unmute होते नहीं हो मेरे से। Unmute yourself from that side. Ariba, unmute yourself from your side. Okay. Aradhya, you can ask question. You are unmuted. Aradhya, I'm audible. Shereen, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak. What do you want to speak?
Ma'am, if any word end with O and we add ES or S, so it will be irregular or regular.
Beta, see, when we are talking about the regular nouns, और अगर वहां पे O है, वो words आपको पता है maximum कौन से होंगे? Tomato, mango, ठीक है? तो आपके साथ आप उसके साथ ES लगाओगे. Getting me? Getting me, Ariba? Sorry, Sherry. जैसे fox है, जैसे fox है, या tomato है, potato है, mango है, वो रेगुलर नाउन है, आप उसके साथ ES लगा सकते हो। ओके, ठीक है? जैसे ये है, क्या कहते हैं, कार्गो है, यू कैन यूज कार्गोज, ES, बट कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ आपको एस लगता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ जो इरेगुलर नाउन्स है ना, जो आपके बुक पे दिए गए हैं, दे आर मोर देन एनफ, वो आपको लर्न करने पड़ेंगे। वीडियो है तो ES नहीं लगाते, एस लगाते हैं ना। वीडियोस तो नहीं, वीडियोस हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं बट एस लगाते हैं। जैसे बैम्बो है, डबल ओ है, तो हम एस लगाएंगे उसके साथ। ओके, बट जो पोटैटो है, मैंगो है, टोमेटो है, you can use ES with them because they also come in the category of regular. They also come in the category of regular plurals. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome, dear. Anytime. I really love the children who ask me questions because I learn from you also several things. Very good. Okay, Ariba, kindly unmute yourself from your side. Yes, Eva, what's your question, dear?
Ma'am, I don't understand irregular plural properly.
बेटा, I am sending you the video. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं। Okay,
Okay,
there are
ma'am.
certain rules that you have to follow in the sense कि इसको आपको याद करना पड़ेगा। और जो जो छोटे मोटे जो आपको बताए गए हैं, जैसे मैन ए है बीच में उसको चेंज कर सकते हो। चिल्ड्रन को EN बन जाता है, जहाँ पे F है एंड FE है कुछ वर्ड्स में, वहां पे VES हो जाता है। ठीक है, तो वो वर्ड्स आप याद करोगे, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेम्बर इरेगुलर वॉवल्स। अगर आप वीडियो किसी भी वीडियो को भी सर्च करोगे नेट पे जाके, वहां पे यही बोलते हैं कि यू हैव टू मेमोराइज इरेगुलर वॉवल्स। रेगुलर वॉवल्स में रूल्स लगते हैं और इरेगुलर वॉवल में कोई रूल्स नहीं लगते हैं। ठीक है, फिर भी आप
Okay,
एक
ma'am.
बार जो आपकी बुक पे लिखा हुआ है वो आप एक बार रीड करना, उसे पढ़ना, और जो वीडियो मैम भेजेंगी उसे भी देखना। अगर फिर समझ नहीं आए तो मुझे डू इन्फॉर्म मी ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर, आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन। ओके,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम। Oh, kindly mute yourself, no talking behind. Okay, Prableen, Ariba, kindly unmute yourself from your side. You are not unmuting. Oh, muted. Okay, Ariba,
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
audible. Okay, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बोलो बच्चे।
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, can you give me more examples of words that do not change even when we make their plurals?
Okay, there are so many examples that are written in your book. You can go through it, but the examples like I have already discussed with you, जो जिनके words बिल्कुल change नहीं होते, और वो जो words हैं वो same रहते हैं, और उन words को हम बिल्कुल भी add करके नहीं, जैसे aircraft है, ठीक है ना, reindeer है, goldfish है, equipment है, sheep है, and if you go through the net you will find so many such words. तो जितने बात बेटा जितने आपकी बुक में दिए गए हैं ना इस टाइम पे, क्योंकि your book is
Yes, ma'am.
filled with it is filled with plurals, it will be filled with plural. अगर आप उतने भी confinedly properly learn कर पाओगे ना, that's really very good. और अगर आपको learn हो गए हैं, then next time I will give you more and more words to learn if you want. Okay, just let me know. ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am.
तो
Ma'am, I
जैसे
want to ask something about science. You told that we have to revise 2 chapters on our next
okay.
2 previous chapters for our next class. So
Okay.
we only have to learn the internals or the question
Only
answers
internals.
also.
No question answers. First we will go through internals, then we will shift to the question answers also, because this time you will get a paper where you have to write answers also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay dear,
thank you,
but
ma'am.
अभी हम सिर्फ इंटरनल्स को टच करेंगे, ताकि आपको लेसन्स अच्छी तरह से रिवाइज हो जाए, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर एनी क्वेश्चन। जब आंसर क्योंकि
Okay,
जब
ma'am.
इंटरनल हम टच करेंगे, we will be able to touch each and every line of a lesson, and we will be able to understand more betterly. That's why I have started with the internal only. Okay, I am going to take a
Okay,
test of
ma'am.
internal on that day. Okay dear. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
most welcome dear, anytime. Okay, now and next, who is raising the hand? Babre. Okay, now Prableen. Yes, Prableen. Be quick. We are going. Oh, time is up. Prableen. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I can't understand same remaining word.
What?
Ma'am,
Same form of
remaining
plurals. अच्छा, same form of plurals आपने understand नहीं किए हैं. Same form of plurals वो plurals होते हैं जिनका singular में भी spelling same रहते हैं और plural में भी spelling same रहते हैं. उसमें कोई addition नहीं होती. जैसे मैंने example दी थी, deer, deers, goldfish, sheep. Okay. No, you don't have to join because student have to attend